50 clients seemed a lot more appealing to handle than than tens of thousands of customers. So the way I looked at it was, we could be very efficient, because if you look at a 100,000 square foot building or bigger, and you compare that to the similar building of similar size, but in the office space, for example, where they also have water running through the building, you'd recognize that an office building doesn't have 350 kitchens, right? An office building might have 15 or 16 kitchens, but the same size multifamily building could easily have 200 to 300 kitchens, right? And so because of that, I quickly recognized that we should sell to one property and sell, 1,000 to 1,500 sensors versus selling to one home at 10 sensors a pop. And I also recognized that the pain point was significant because how disruptive it can be to the operations of a property. Whereas a homeowner, it's disruptive as well, but you're dealing with one person being disrupted, not 200 people being disrupted, right? And in some cases, we've even seen buildings. There was a building in San Francisco that had like all 38 floors of the building evacuated, and the building was basically shut down until they could fix it because a fire suppression line had ruptured, right? So when you look at those types of scenarios, you go, okay, this is a really big problem. There's insurance, there's a business case, there's a lot of pressure to protect the economic and physical life of a property. And so we realized we could use the same solution, validate it in a commercial setting where it's going to experience a lot of stress testing, right? Whereas in a home, you've got 10 sensors, you have a very small sample size. Now we have over, 50,000 plus sensors in the market in different locations in 42 states and in different types of assets. And because of that, we get a very broad perspective of like how customers interact with it. And that feedback loop allowed us to iterate on the technology to make it better so that it can serve their needs in a very sort of demanding environment. And then once we've proven that out, pivoting to the consumer market would be a breeze, right? In terms of the technology delivering on its value. If we could protect 20,000 apartments, we probably can protect 20,000 homes.